Hi everyone, this is my wife, and today she is so excited because she finally got her new juicer machine. She actually ordered it about 2 weeks ago, and she has been waiting patiently, to be honest, for it to arrive. When she picked it up today, she couldn't wait to try it out. She decided to make some fresh watermelon juice using the leftover watermelon we bought about a week ago. First, she peeled the watermelon and cut it into smaller pieces so they could be easier to cut into the juicer. Then she prepared everything and started using her new machine for the first time. And you can see how happy and excited she is to make her own fresh juice at home. It's a simple thing, but seeing her enjoy her new kitchen gadget makes the moment special. I hope this new juicer helps us make more healthy and delicious drinks together in the future, because normally we leave a lot of vegetables and juice untouched. We leave a lot of vegetables and fruit untouched. So this would be this machine would be very special for us. Okay, so she now has the juice, and she couldn't wait to try out the juice. Yeah, look, yeah, it tastes so good. Okay. But ជំរាបសួរអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាអូខេអញ្ចឹងវីដេអូនេះខ្ញុំចង់និយាយពី juice machine ដែលប្រពន្ធខ្ញុំក៏ទុំបានកំពិតទៅទិញ order នេះ2អាទិត្យហើយប៉ុន្តែទទួលបានហើយប្រពន្ធខ្ញុំមើលមុខញ៉ាំញ៉ាំតែរៀបចំហើយ assemble ហើយអត់អាចចាំយូរហ្មងរៀបចំធ្វើ juice ហ្នឹងភ្លាមៗហ្មងរត់ទៅរត់ចិត្តអាឡឹកហើយមានដូចជាមានការ៉ុតខ្លះដែរចិត្តអាឡឹកចិត្តការ៉ុតហ្នឹងហើយដាក់ក្នុងម៉ាស៊ីនហ្នឹងម៉ាស៊ីនកែវ juicer machine ហ្នឹងអូខេហើយងាយស្រួលប្រើនិយាយចំងាយស្រួលប្រើហើយនេះពងចិបហ្នឹងធ្វើភ្លាមញ៉ាំភ្លាម fresh ហ្មងហ្នឹងហើយវាមួយយ៉ាងដែរព្រោះយើងធម្មតាយើងមានបន្លែផ្លែឈើនៅក្នុងទូទឹកកកបើយើងអត់ដឹងថាទៅធ្វើអីចោលដែរjuicer machine ហ្នឹងវាពិសេសណាអញ្ចឹងយើងអាចញ៉ាំឲ្យស្រស់ៗបានអូខេជាជាងយើងចោលអូខេបាយបាយសូមអរគុណបាទ